Good morning. Today I'm gonna share with you my latest morning routine. I do my best to keep it very simple, especially in the morning. And the star of this routine is the Dior Hydra Life. This is a new product I'm trying. I've been using this for 2 weeks now. So far so good. It has exactly what I'm looking for, something super light and absorbing on the skin and very cooling. So the first item is this Hydra Life face lotion. This is actually very fluid, water-like consistency, and absorb very quickly on the face. Just put on my hand and pat. Now it has a very slight scent. It's more like mineral scent. Very slight compared to the Essence lotion, the Capture Total Essence lotion. Again, this is more fluid. This has a little bit of consistency and it has more of the Dior signature skincare fragrance. But this one, again, almost scentless, but it has that very slight mineral scent to it. Go. Next is non-Dior product. I started using this Skintific 10% vitamin C, and I'm actually very surprised. This is the first time I'm using vitamin C, and this is because I want to improve the complexion on my chin, my forehead, and also some pimple marks, and also my jawline right here. And I actually thought this is gonna be more consistent given that it has vitamin C, but this is the same as the Hydra Life lotion. It's very fluid, almost water-like, and scentless. I thought it would at least smell like citrus, but it's scentless. Maybe there's a hint of slight, very slight, I would say 0.01 scent of orange, but it's almost scentless. So again, very fluid solution, very water-like. I'm gonna add just a little bit for my neck. This one, I just started using this last night, and I will see in 30 days if this has some good effect on my face. And by the way, in the instruction, once you start using this, you have to consume it within 30 days for best effect. Okay, so next is another Hydra Life product. This is the cream. This one has a little bit of thickness. Again, very cooling effect on the face. Still very light, fast absorbing. Also has that mineral scent, almost like fresh water. I kind of hesitate to say fresh water because fresh water should be scentless, but that's the vibe of the scent that this skincare is giving. Now, what I like about my morning skincare product is that it has to feel very comfortable on the skin. I don't like stickiness. I don't like oiliness. I don't like it to feel heavy or hot on the face. And this skincare, the Hydra Life, it's super light on the skin, very absorbing too. And last but not the least, on the skincare, this is probably the heaviest product that I will add on my face, is the SPF 50 from still Dior. What I love about this is that it does not leave white cast on the face. And even though, like I mentioned, this would be the thickest product I'm adding on my face, it still feels very comfortable. It does have that generic scent or the usual scent for sunblock, but it's not that strong. What I love about all these products that I use, none of them is really tacky. Everything, I know some likes a little bit of tackiness because that will hold the makeup, but for me, I don't really wear too much makeup, so I like just that comfortable feel. on the skin. Next, still part of my skincare actually, is the Dior Lip Glow. Let's not forget about our lips. Lips are skin too, so we need to take care of them. Look at that instant glow. And if I want just a little bit of color, that watermelon or strawberry kiss or the cherry lips color, I'll add my Dior Addict glass lipstick. There you have it. That concludes my morning skincare routine. If you have any questions, suggestions, please let me know in the comment below. I'll be happy to hear all of them, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.